Let's begin the chapter now. First of all, we will study the meaning of geography and the language from where we have derived this word. So children, we derive this word from the Greek language, and if we talk about its meaning, so if we divide the word into two equal halves, then the words would be geo and graphy. Now here geo means earth and graphy means detailed study. That means in geography we do the detailed study of the earth. Up to 10th class, we studied geography as a part of social science. There were different parts like history, economics, political science, and geography. So basically, we study geography as a part of social science. But when we come in 11th class, we study the different aspects of phenomena of geography in detail. Along with that, we study that what are the causes which are responsible for these natural disasters. So children, if somebody says that why do we study about earth in geography, so the answer would be that human beings and their basic requirements are totally depending upon nature. Now what are the basic requirements of human beings? The basic requirements are food, clothes and shelter. That means the food which we eat, we get it from the nature or we get it from the soil. The cloth which we wear is made up of cotton, and the cotton is again a production of agriculture. The house or the shelter where we reside is again constructed on the land. So children, we can say that humans' basic requirements are fulfilled by the nature or the earth. Hence, we study the different phenomena of the earth in detail in geography. If we talk about the early human beings, so children, let me tell you that early human beings were totally depending upon the nature for their basic requirements. They used to eat the edible plants for their food. Other than edible plants, they used to have animals also in a raw form. If we talk about the cloth, so either they used to wrap themselves with the leaves or with the skins of different animals. Now coming to the third basic requirement of early human beings, so that was shelter. So children, for their shelter or home, they used to use different natural caves. So they never constructed any house for their basic requirements. So we can say that the early human beings were totally depending upon nature for their basic requirements. But if we talk about ourselves or nowadays, so humans, they try to change the nature according to their requirements. As you know children, when we do have an extreme high temperature, we simply switch on air conditioner to moderate the temperature or to minimize the temperature. In the same way, during winters when the temperature is extremely low, we use or we take the help of blowers. So this is what, these are the examples of technology, that how we, with the help of technology, we try to moderate even the nature also. The early human beings always worshipped and they were afraid of nature. But if we talk about the human beings of present day, so we are not afraid of nature. Instead of getting afraid from it, we always believe in technology. And that is why we say that with the help of technology, we can even make the changes in the nature itself. So basically children, I just want to say that in geography we will be studying about the different phenomena of geography, phenomena of earth in detail. Along with that we will be studying that what are the relations of geography with other subjects.